Hey everybody, this is Jessica Lynn of JessicaLynnOriginal, and yesterday, which was Saturday, July 6th, was National Fried Chicken Day. And I have a really good friend who is obsessed with KFC, so I thought I'd make her a card, and I was going to put a little gift card in there. I found this clip art online, so I do not own any rights to the logo, any rights to any of it. I just was making a one-off card for fun. But I decided to go ahead and pull out my Copic markers and color it in. And so I'm going to share that with you. And then at the end, we're just going to make a very simple card. So enjoy. Once I had him all colored in, I went ahead and got out my Cuttlebug, which I love. I'm so sad they discontinued this thing, but I bought extra plates, so I'm hoping it will last a long time. What I'm going to do is I have some cat scrappiness die cuts. I have a large circle with like a stitched edge, and I'm going to go ahead and cut this out with that so that it has just a little bit of a fancier look. My initial thought was just, well, I'm just going to cut it out as a circle, but I thought, you know what, let's pull out a die cut, let's make it fancy, and you can see it's got the double stitch edge. I absolutely love it. It's one of my favorite ones. I think that little stitch line, for some reason, just, maybe it's because I sew, I don't know, but I think it just has such a finished look to it. So we're going to go ahead and cut that out. And all I'm going to do is just put it on a piece of craft cardstock. I really like it. I think it's simplistic. I think it's simple. And I'm not even going to use the foam risers, which was my initial instinct. I decided that I just wanted to put it right on, a little higher up than centered. And I just love it. I think it looks so pretty. I don't know. I just like how I colored it. I think it's nice and bold. And then what I'm going to do is put the gift certificate inside for her and give it to her. She always likes to celebrate all the very odd holidays, and I think that's just too much fun. So, well, if you like my quick little video here, please go ahead and subscribe. I'm going to pop up a little Brentwood. Just click on that circle and subscribe. We'd love to have you as a member of Team Mold. If you've never subscribed to a channel before, just know there's no cost to do it. It just means it'll send you notifications if we upload other videos. Again, I'm going to pop up 2 more videos for you to watch. Thank you again. Have a great day.